Hi everyone, my name is Yetunde Farinade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach us how to cook our beans. Yes, I know some of you will be wondering, how do they cook beans again? It's good for us to learn how people do things nowadays to safeguard our own health. I remember like 20 years ago I went to visit a friend, and I saw that when she cooked her beans for some time, after a while she poured out the water that was on the beans, the water that she used to cook the beans, she poured it out. So I asked her why she did that. She told me that diabetics patients, they don't use the water they cook the beans throughout, that they must pour out the first water and add the fresh water. So to me, that was understandable. So understandable. So I went to visit one of my mommy in the neighborhood. I saw her also pour out the water. You know, the experience of the last one, flashback. I was like, mommy, and I asked her, do you have any issue? She said no, but the water is not good again. It's not good. To me, I felt maybe mommy doesn't want to, disclose her health status to me, until I got talking with a woman that has a shop in a popular market where they sell food items, grains, and the rest. And she told me that the way our grains are being preserved is terrible. That we have to be careful, wash our food thoroughly, wash them very well. And she told me that if I want to cook beans, I should make sure I pour out the first water I used to cook the beans after it has boiled for a while. So when she told me that, I now remember what that woman did that day. So I now remembered, I felt, how this is why this woman did this that she did that day. After measuring your beans, you know the measurements you eat in the house. You know how many cups. Okay, so let me put it that way. After measuring it, you wash the beans thoroughly. You wash it very well. You make sure the beans is well washed. So you sieve the water out. You sieve out the water. Then you pour the beans. Pour it back. You pour it back to wash. I normally wash 3 times. I used to wash them 3 times. Even after learning this method, I normally wash 3 times. At times I wash to the extent that the back will start peeling. So after washing it this way, I pour it inside the pot. I pour water into it. They allow it to boil. It boils for 15 minutes. Allow it to boil for 15 minutes. At times 10 minutes, it depends. So I cover it up. Cover it up. When it has boiled for 15 minutes, I remove the cover. Can you see it? It has boiled. Can you see the color? Can you see it? So I sieve out the water. I sieve out the water of the beans. Just like that my friend told me that 20 years ago. I sieve it out. Can you see the water? Can you see the color of the water? Okay, so I sieve it out. Can you see the color of the beans? These are low beans. So I now cook. So this is me now going to cook. Yes. After sieving out the first water, this is me now going to cook. I wash the pot, wash the beans again, pour it back into the pot. Then I put in my onions. After putting in my onions, I allow it to boil. Why I'm teaching us this is for us to safeguard our own health, because nobody will do that for us. We have to do it ourselves. So this is you cooking the beans now. After cooking it this way, you take it to the cooker to boil. You can see from that video, yes, can you see the color of the beans? Very beautiful. This is how I used to know it to be there. So I don't know. It's God that will help us in this country. Put in my own, allow it to boil. After boiling for a while, then I will decide what I want to do. Maybe I'm going to make it beans porridge, or I'm going to fry pepper and put on top of it. So why I'm doing this video is for us to know how to prepare our beans to safeguard our own health. Let us live healthy. We need to live healthy so that we can live a good life. We can be alive for the children, and the children too can, be alive too. Whatever we can do to help ourselves, we should do. God will help us in Jesus' name. So this is now cooking beans. You are now cooking your beans. The first stage is to wash it. This is now cooking the beans. The beans is very lovely. I love the face. I love it. Yes. Now the beans are soft. So there you have it. Thank you for staying tuned. See you another time. Bye. Thank you. Bye.